I'm Debbie Cronister. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here to show you the preview, the last new in color, which is Summer Splash. This one will be great for clouds. This will be great for kids. I know there's going to be lots of uses for it. I'm just not sure what they are quite yet. And I know that it'll come up. And I'll go, oh, that's a great color for that. So today I do have a card to show you. And I'm showing you some new products that are, some that are, actually they're not new. They've been out for a while. So first of all, I want to show you the relation between these three colors. This is Pool Party. This is the new Summer Splash. And this is Pretty Peacock. Lost Lagoon is in there somewhere in here, but it's not, I don't know, to me, it doesn't go together. I don't know that I would put it together. Lost Lagoon goes great with Pool Party. That's a great contrast. But as far as Lost Lagoon that is sick. That makes our Lost Lagoon look awful, and I love Lost Lagoon. Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock go together. And these two, I think, would go together as an accent. But and it would go with Pool Party, but it definitely does not go with Lost Lagoon. So, though that is the color. And on here, whoops, not on here, on this one, I thought this will be great for clouds. This will be a good cloud color. And so what I did is I just took my cloud punched out my cloud, which is right here. And I love making clouds. I'm a cloud person. And so you just take your blending brush, a pad, and pick up some color here. I'm going to start off the edge. I'm going to start on my glass table here because I can go back and pick up that excess a little bit later, and you're just going to go like that. And it just makes a simple little cloud. You're going to turn your cloud. You don't worry about where you've already been. I'm going to pick up a little more of this, and I'm going to turn it this way and come in this way. And so you just keep going, and you're just making a shadow above it is all you're doing. You don't go under it. You just go across the top edge here, and it makes for these beautiful fluffy clouds. Now, if you want the other side, you could turn it around, but the other side is exactly the same as that side, so it really wouldn't make any difference. I hope you guys can see this because it's just coming out beautiful. It looks like a beautiful sunny day with a few light fluffy clouds. So that will be a really good color for clouds, you can see. So I do have a card for you today. And today I haven't put it together. I don't have a sample yet. We're going to put it together. So I am going to use Happy Little Things. I'm using the Celebrate here, these two. And I am going to use Trusty Tools, which is going to be a great dad a dad set. And it has all the dies that go with it. So it has a ton of dies. It has dies for everything. It even has dies for the paintbrush brushes, the little brush thing on there. So, yeah, it's going to be I do have the paintbrush die right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with, I have a piece of basic white that's 5 by 3 3/4. I have a piece of Summer Splash that is 5 1/4 by 4. And then I have my card base. And so, which is white, and it's 8.5 by 5.5. Simple card, no fancy fold today. Okay, we're going to start with the word Celebrate out of Happy Little Things. And I'm just going to stamp that. I want a black outline. We get one shot at this, so we got to make it count, right? And I'm just going to stamp right across there. Okay, and then I'm going to come back, and while I have that open, I'm going to stamp my paintbrush. And then I can close that up, and I'm done. So the paintbrush is going to go on here. Get it up on screen. And I just stamped both of those in Tuxedo Black. And we can put that away. And then I'm going to pull out my Summer Splash. Now my Summer Splash is brand new, so it's really well inked, which is really nice, except When it is new like that, when you stamp, let me show you what happens. So if you can see this one isn't too bad now. Well, it is. So there's like little dots. So when you stamp, it shows up like that, which is kind of ugly. It's not a nice, smooth finish for my paintbrush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little spoon that I purchased when I was in Norway, and I'm going to clean my ink to the sides. I want to just move it to the sides. I don't want to get rid of it. I just want to move it to the sides, and it'll move back out. No problem there. Because I've just got too much ink right where I'm stamping in this middle section, and you could see the color difference there. Okay, so now when I ink that, let's clean it off first and dry it a little bit. Okay, now when I ink it, I'm going to get a nicer finish. Okay, so what we're going to do is I forgot we stamped our paintbrush on there. So let's grab that ink. I'm going to do it a little bit more because it seems to be coming back faster than I'm ready for. So you just want to make sure it's a good, even smooth spoon. You don't want one that's been chewed up by the dishwasher. Okay, that's better. And I'm going to stamp, and this is used to fill. Now you could color this with Stampin' Blends. You could color this with Stampin' Write markers. But I'm using the stamp set to fill it in. And I wanted to stamp off on that, and I didn't. Okay. It's okay. Now, for the brushes, there is a little stamp that you can use to color the brush. It's a little tiny stamp, and it just does the very bottom. But I wanted my brush dark, so I'm going to use Summer Splash, and I'm going to use my blend. And just scribble some here, and then I'm going to go back and fill it in. And you know how paint is. It doesn't go in a line. I got a little high there. Okay, we'll just put a little more up here. How about that? We'll make it look like a messy paintbrush. It's okay. Okay, and then I'm going to die cut that. So, through the magic of video, I have my paintbrush already die cut. All right, so for the Celebrate, I want to fill that in. Now, again, you could color that with the blends or the Stampin' Write marker. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the second half. It's a two-step stamp. So I'm going to use the second half, and I am going to fill that in. And I'm just thinking, which way did I want to go? I want the ink at the bottom of the C and at the top of the E. So I'm just going to go like that. So it looks like I just swiped it right across there. Whoops. And then I'm going to come along here and line it up and stamp that in there. Okay. This, I think, is going to be a fun set to play with. Okay, so this, like I said, this card is super simple. I'm not doing a whole lot on it. I just wanted to show you the color. So let's put this together. And let's clean that ink off there before I get that on the back of my card. Okay. And I've got my paintbrush. Looks like I painted that on there. And I am going to put this on dimensionals. And I think I'm just going to put that right like that. Okay, let's put it on our card base. I'll grab my silicone mat since this is not wanting to get started. Okay, May 1st. is when the colors come out. Oh, now that I said that, I'm not sure it is. Let me look, guys. Yes, May 1st is when this new catalog comes out. So if you don't have one, let me know. I would love to send you one. And the new in colors come out then too. So in the meantime, be sure to check out the retiring products, because this is going to be the last week. So this card really needs something else. We have the beautiful ribbon here. I could put a ribbon around just a little knot around my paintbrush. Let's try that and see how that looks. I love this ribbon. It ties a really nice knot. I'm going to tie this in a knot. Oh, that's cute. Okay. There. And cut it right there. And we have some, I want to show you the other bling. So we've done this shimmery bling, the sparkle bling, but we have another bling that goes with this year. We have two of them. So these are the resin dots is what they are. And I think we're going to use a couple of those today. So I am thinking I'm going to put one here, pull that over. Come on, guy, cooperate here. One there. And I'm going to put two little ones below that. Just like that. Ooh, put them in a straight line, Deb. Good thing that one wasn't attached yet, huh? There we go. That is my card for today. So this is Summer Splash, the last of the in colors. Oh, that one did not stick. I didn't pick up the glue dot. The glue dot stuck to my glass. It slid off and stuck to my glass table. So let's see if I can pull that off. Anyway, so be sure to start your order. And May 1st is when you can start ordering these products. And everything is online. You can see everything that Stampin' Up! Has online now. So if you go to stampwithdeb.com, click on Shop with Me, you will be able to, it will take you right to online. Now, it's not all online now. I'm sorry, as of May 1st, it will be online. So anyway, yes. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you like this new color. I think it's going to be a good addition. And I think all of our in colors go well together. So be sure to watch my other videos if you haven't seen the other in colors. And you can find those at stampwithdeb.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.